Hi everyone, welcome to practice report number 5, LCD functions displaying text. In this project, we aim to develop a versatile library of functions for controlling 16 by 2 character LCD displays using a microcontroller and MicroPython. The primary objective was to facilitate the integration of LCDs into various projects, enabling the display of text and numeric data efficiency. Well, mm, let's break down the code. Uh, these functions initialize and control the LCD display, and we need to import the required models. The pin, this model allows us to control the GPIO pins of the microcontroller, and the ultim, this model provides time-related functions such as delays. Here are the pin definitions. They define the GPIO pins connected to the LCD control lines. We have the enable and the register select, and data lines that are the D4, D5, D6, and D7. And port, there are a list of data pin numbers, and the L is a list of store pin objects for data lines. Then we have the configure function. This is the configure function, and it's just for initialize the 4 data pins as output pins. Then we have the struct function. This generates a struct signal by toggling the enable pin, which tells the LCD to latch the data presented on its data lines. Then we have the LCD write function. Basically, sends a byte to the LCD. If mode is 0, it's a command. If mode is 1, it's data. Simple as that. The byte is sent in two 4-bit nibbles, high and low, as the LCD is configured to operate in 4-bit mode. The register select, or RS, pin determines if the byte is data or a command. Now let's go with the LCD control functions. Here they are. These functions send specific commands to control the LCD. The LCD clear, as it says, it's for clearing the display. The LCD home returns the cursor to the home position. The LCD cursor controls the cursor's appearance. Then we have the display text functions that are LCD puts, and the LCD push. These two. The LCD puts writes a string S to the LCD by calling LCD push for each character, and the LCD push writes a single character C to the LCD. The LCD positioning function moves the cursor to the specified column, call, and row. This is the row and this is the call. What else? LCD initialization function is the LCD unit. This initializes the LCD by configuring the data pins and sending a series of initialization commands to set up the LCD in 4-bit mode, turn off the display, clear it, send the entry mode, and turn on the display. Then we have the main program. Here we initialize the display. Then we put the position of the cursor to the first row and the first column, and then we display the message Quinta Práctica. Positions the cursor to the second row, first column, and then displays the message Adios. And well, that's everything for the code. Now let's go with the physical design.
Hi everyone, and now we are on the physical part. The materials used on this practice are a 16 by 2 character type LC display. Um, we are using a potentiometer of 10k ohms, and let's see, well, a lot of cables. That's it. And a resistor of 220 ohms. We are connecting the GP outs 0, 1 to enable register select. We are using the GP2, 3, 4, and 5 for sending the logic to the display on the bits D4, D6, well, not the bits, the pins D4 to the D7. And well, and this is the potentiometer. We can adjust the contrast of the display, and that's it. The message we send to the display is Quinta Práctica on the first row, and on the second row we're sending Adios, and that's everything. Thank you so much for watching this part.